What's up, babies? It's your girl Dr. Chanel back with another video, and you know the vibes for this video. Okay, my client was 16 years old, but she got some sexy grown, B vibes. So we did some nude bling, XL long, LV, ombre, clear, transparent. It's the vibe. So these nails came out so cute. So make sure you watch the whole video because at the end I will be announcing the giveaway winner. So let's get started. We started off with the Nail Supply Glamour Foil Gel, and this is the only one that does not turn yellow on me, so this is what we're going to be using. Anyways, make sure to only apply it on the tip and not the natural nail. Where you want the foil transfer to stay is where you can apply gel, okay? Not too thick, not too thin, you already know. We're going to cure it for 60 seconds, not 61 and not 59. 60 seconds, this is what's going to work best, I promise. We're using the LV transfer foils. They come in a little box. You can purchase them on my website. You already know that, Okay, so the placement is very important because if you don't do this right, your design is not going to stick all the way. So make sure you like the design that's going to be on the nail. Make sure you get no air bubbles. The air bubbles will mess you up, I promise. Then you're going to go ahead and rub and rub and rub and rub and a little bit more rubbing. So you're just going to rub till the whole design is on there. And you're going to start, feeling the heat of your fingers start a fire because of how much you're rubbing, but it's okay. And the best way that I found that the transfer foils work best for me is pulling the foil down, so like towards you. Don't pull it up. I just feel like that makes the whole design like lift. I don't know, but look at the video right here. Pull it towards you. That's the best way. Let me know if it works for you. So then again, we're going to repeat the process. Put the foil gel only on the tip, not on the natural nail, okay? Make sure to get every crevice, every side, everything. Your nail should be transparent when you apply the gel. And again, 60 seconds, and we're going to repeat the process again. I'm going to just let you watch now. Okay, babies, please listen to me when I say this. Please put a no wipe top coat on top of your design. So right here, I'm using my brand, the best of the best, because I'm telling you, this top coat is it. Anyways, you're gonna need to top coat your design all the way. Make sure to get every crevice again, because if you don't and you just apply your acrylic on top, the whole design is gonna erase. Monomer does not like foil transfers. So if you put a dot of monomer on the transfer foil right there, it's gonna bleed and you're not gonna have no more design. So please put top coat on your design and go ahead and cure. Please listen to me. I promise it's gonna work. Again here, just applying top coat. We're not doing the natural nail at all. We're not touching the natural nail. Just the tip. Because the monomer, it hates foil. Next, we're going to be using the Glamorous Nude by Valentino. I don't know, I just bought this from the store. It's okay. I like it. It's a cute color, but sometimes it does marble on me. I'm not going to lie. I don't know why, because I know Valentino is a high class bougie, but I don't know. But I don't know. I'm not going to. I don't know. It's okay. I like it. Okay. Here we go. We're just gonna ombre. Let me tell you, this is a little bit tricky just because you don't have a color in the bottom. So two colors not, when you do a regular ombre, you have at least the white in the bottom, so that's why it blends really nice. But here you do have clear by itself, no color, so you're gonna see the blend even more. So please take your time with the blend because it's a little tricky. So you're just trying to, get that blend going. The blend is the main focus on this. Also, I just used about 2 balls, maybe. 2 ball beads, you know what I mean? Not 2 balls. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say balls. But 2 beads. But this is what I did. Check out the blend. I did it. It took me like 20 minutes to blend that. But, it looks cute. Make sure to encapsulate right here. I am using, which one am I using? I'm using Mia's Secret Clear. And just encapsulate it. You have to encapsulate it because you need to build, that little apex, and also you need to make sure you don't file the top coat that we put before. So I did get one comment saying don't talk while you're doing acrylic application. So guess what? I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to let you guys watch the application. So I hope y'all enjoy. And baby, look at that application. Yes, ma'am. Okay, it's given. Anyways, we're gonna use our 8080 grit file. Shop the brand. That's from the brand Tati Chanel. I love this file. It does wonders. And we're just gonna file. Nice little what is it called, tapered square moment. Make sure her hand is. Guys, is it just me or all my nail techs, baby? Let me know. Does your clients tilt their hands sideways? I don't know if it's just certain people or they not paying attention, but most of my clients always have their hands tilt, and I'm like, it just makes our job so much harder. So just let me know if your clients are like that, or is it just mine? Because if it's just mine, we're gonna have a talk, and a serious talk. Okay, so let me know in the comments below. File, file, file. Make sure to push your skin down with your thumb and middle finger, so you won't cut their little skin on the side. And then we're just gonna repeat, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the e-file. So we're done filing. So now we just buffed the nails, and I went to go tell the client to go wash their hands, no soap, just with the manicure brush and water. And this is what it looks like. So now we're using our Tati Chanel No Wipe a gel top coat. And y'all, look at how pretty these came out. And they're super, super shiny. That's what the top coat does. And then we're going to cure again for 60 seconds, up to you, 2 minutes. But look at how pretty these came out. I'm super excited to try them with different foils, maybe a different color. And make sure to wipe off the sides so you could keep your shape. And look at that. It's so pretty. So we decided to spice it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the Swarovskis, and we're just going to do the tip. I would have done smaller stones, but I did not have any. So I think we used like an SS10 or SS12. I'm not sure. But they were pretty big, but they still came out super, super cute. But if I had to change something, I would definitely put the little stones. But they're so cute, whatever. And I'm using my little tool here. I don't know where I got it from. Oh, Amazon. And we're just sticking them on with some Zulay nail adhesive. Super bomb for all your bling. And we're just going to repeat the process. So we kind of were like, okay, we should do some matte. But then I was like, no, I think the shiny looks way better. So we ended up doing shiny. And honestly, I think it was way better than some matte. And when I do stones, I like doing shiny instead of matte. I don't know. Just a personal preference. But this is how they came out. So thank you, babies, so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And let's get to the giveaway winner. Okay, what's up, baby? So right now we're gonna be announcing the giveaway winner. So let's do it. My boyfriend's gonna be the one choosing the winner. So here we go. He's gonna shake it up, pick the winner, and we're gonna call it the winner. So good luck to y'all, and let's just pick the winner. Close your eyes. Go down. Read it. Who's the winner?
CECILIA. No, talk to me on the fuck, man.
Okay, so number 1444 is the winner, Cecilia. Congratulations to you, girl. I will be shipping off those goodies that you did win. So thank you for everybody that joined this giveaway / raffle. So congratulations to the winner.